Automation already flies your plane. But what happens when artificial intelligence starts thinking for it too? From copilots that never blink to cockpits run by code, the aviation world is on the edge of something massive. Welcome back to Flipside 05. I'm Solomon, and today we're diving into how AI is quietly transforming aviation and whether that's a good thing. Let's get one thing clear. Pilots aren't getting replaced tomorrow, but AI is already in the cockpit, just not in the way you might think. Today's aircraft use highly automated systems, autopilots, autothrust, flight directors, all running on program logic. But these aren't AI in the modern sense. They followed predefined rules. But now we are seeing the rise of machine learning tools, systems that can adapt, predict, and learn from data. AI is already being used in some surprising ways, and not just for pilots. AI monitors thousands of data points from aircraft systems to predict failures before they happen. Think of it as an airplane that knows it needs a repair before the mechanic does. Advanced AI tools now analyze real-time weather, fuel cost, and even geopolitical tensions to optimize routes faster and smarter than human flight dispatchers can. One of the boldest efforts is from Airbus, their ATTOL project. In 2020, they demonstrated a fully autonomous takeoff using AI-driven vision, not GPS. And then there's Xwing, a US startup company converting cargo aircraft into fully autonomous freighters. No pilot in the cockpit, just a remote operator on the ground. Sounds like a movie, right? But no, they have flown thousands of miles already. Okay, let's talk about it. Should pilots be concerned about all this? Let's break it down. Pilots can interpret context, emotions, and unpredictability. AI struggles with nuances, especially in emergencies. 2,000 hours in a logbook, AI can't replicate human gut instinct yet. Passengers still want to see someone up front, and pilots don't just fly. They communicate, make decisions, handle passengers, and coordinate complex operations. But here's the flip side. AI isn't replacing pilots. It's replacing some of their workload, managing systems, catching errors, and improving safety margins. This all sounds futuristic, but here's where reality hits. No major authority, not the FAA nor EASA, allows passenger flights with no pilot in command. Certification for AI systems is still years away. If an AI makes a life or death decision, who's liable? The developer, the airline, the pilot? We don't have clear answers to all these questions. An AI-based cockpit is also a hackable cockpit, and in aviation, one breach could be catastrophic. Here's where we are likely headed based on current trends. Between 2025 and 2030, AI co-pilots become standard in some cargo operations. Between 2030 and 2035, single-pilot commercial aircraft with AI cockpits may become a reality. From 2040 and beyond, fully autonomous short-haul or regional routes begin under strict control. The bottom line, pilots aren't going anywhere, but their role is evolving from hands-on aviators to system managers and mission commanders. AI is changing aviation, no doubt, but it's not just about removing pilots, it's about enhancing safety, reducing workload, and flying smarter. As we've seen, the sky won't be empty of humans anytime soon, but it's definitely getting smarter. If you found this deep dive insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more flipside perspectives on aviation, and drop a comment. Are you excited or concerned about AI in the cockpit? I'll be reading and replying.